How to use the Astrology chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you want to change a conversation theme and change it into astrology. Now all you have to do in order for you to change it or customize it is to tap on that specific conversation that's just right here and click on this eye icon right here on the upper corner. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on themes under customization right here. And now all you have to do is to scroll down until you find Astrology chat theme, which is right here. Now, once you have found that specific chat theme that you would like to change it to, which is astrology, all you have to do is to tap on that. And you are given a preview as to how your chat will look like. Now, once you've decided to use this specific chat theme, all you have to do is to tap on select right here. And now your Facebook Messenger's conversation right here on this specific person has been now customized into Astrology chat theme. So that's how to use Astrology chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope we help.